In this video, I will show you how to clear cache file of your TV browser on your Google Smart TV without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and proceed to the Home tab on your Google TV right here. Go ahead and make sure you navigate to Settings. Click on Settings right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go to Apps right here. Click on Apps. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on See All Apps. Then here you go. All apps you have on your Google TV is going to be found right here. Then from here, you can simply select your TV browser app. So like for instance, this particular browser right here, I'm going to, this particular browser right here, internet browser and then browser. These are the two browsers I'm using on my Google TV. So if I click on browser right here and scroll down right here, and then click on clear cache, you can see I have about 33.52 cache right here. Click on it and click on OK, and boom, you are done. Then go back and then select as many as possible browser app. So I have another browser app right here, internet browser. Click on it and then come down below right there, click on clear cache, and then click on OK, and you are done. You can review and remove and delete cache as many as possible from different browser apps you have on your Google Smart TV. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.